Hey guys, I'm showing you this 4 in 1 go, one big and three small dinosaur set with a remote control dinosaur toy for kids. So this comes like with all the instructions for the assembly. So it comes with a one big dinosaur and three small dinosaur. The big one is the remote controlled dinosaur one with this infrared sensor. So this is the whole set for the dinosaur kit. So you can see three different dinosaur, so they don't have the remote control thing in it. So this is just like a toy as a dinosaur. It's a good material that you can see tree and the assembly thing. And this is the main dinosaur. So let me unbox it first, and this comes with this tool. So the screws and this the tools are been provided, and the assembly is straightforward, that you have to put this here and then twist it so that it can make into the tail, and then you have to put this hand with the screws. So these are the supplied screws that goes with it, and the other one here, and you can put in the screw. So this both remote as well as the dinosaur require batteries, AAA batteries not supplied with this one, so you have to put in your own batteries. So the batteries goes here, and this the black portion is actually a socket that have like 4 batteries in it. So 2 goes here, and then this will come out, and then 2 goes in the back. So total 4 batteries in the dinosaur, and the whole set will go inside this dinosaur, and you can cover it with the screw. On and off button on the back. This is the ABS material, so it's safe for kids. In the remote also you have to put 2 AAA batteries, and then cover this so that it will not come out. So after this on and off switch, the light indicator will be on, and then after that you can see. So this is a realistic mode. So this is, you can see, is a realistic walk, and it really feel like the dinosaur is actually walking. So there is a forward, backward, and a demo button. You can also change the voice or the sound of this dinosaur, and they are the recorded dinosaur sound, and you can say the tail is also wiggling. So I like really like this dinosaur as a toy as well, and as the realistic approach. So you can see it looks like a pet is walking, and it's a very powerful walk. So this is the whole set with these 3 small dinosaur and one big dinosaur with the remote control, and this 2 small trees as a decoration. So this is really fun for the kids, and the assembly is pretty easy, safe material, fun to play, and it's really nice. And there is also a light that I will show you in the mouth that will glow in the night or while walking with the remote. So from the side also the eyes and everything looks really nice, and just feel like a real dinosaur. So see, like the dinosaur walk with the remote, and the tail is wiggling along with the move. So this, as I mentioned, comes with this light. This is a blue light in the mouth that shows like with the walking of this dinosaur. So in the night also it will glow with the light inside it. So it's pretty fun, pretty nice, and really good to have fun with the kids. So as I said, up and down button or different sounds that you can hear this one. So this have around like six different sounds. And then the walking style. So like is the fun for the kids, easy to handle by the kid. So pretty much they just love it, and yeah, have fun with that. Hope your kids like it as well, and as like my kid, and they really like this dinosaur and this realistic approach with that remote.